be scared.
That's really close to us.
Hey, it's okay. It's way up in the air. It's not even touching down.
That don't matter.
It does matter. It's really hard. It's not even moving. Are you sure?
Hell yeah, it's coming this way.
Oh, it's moving. Oh, I see it moving now. Oh my god. Babe, we gotta get down to the first floor.
I don't know where to go.
In our bathroom.
That looks really close to us. Are you listening?
Should I call my parents and tell them I love them?
No.
Ooh, that's cold air blowing out of. Oh, shit.
Whatever, they can believe it. Babe, it hasn't hit the ground yet, but it's about to.
Zoom back and forth so they can see how far it is. We're gonna be on storm chasers.
I can't.
Oh, that was awesome. I've never seen a tornado before.
I hadn't either.
Oh crap. I just got really bad chills.
That's fixing to go right over top of us.
They can turn at any second, that's the problem. We have no idea where it's gonna go right now.
That's really, really close to us. We should get in the car and leave.
No, we're not going anywhere. We're not going outside at all.
I don't know what we're gonna do.
Look,
It's getting closer though.
Hey, you have got to stop freaking out. Look, it's not even a funnel anymore.
Bullshit. Where there's one, there's another one. Probably.
That is incredible. I have never in my life. Hey, make sure the lens doesn't get rain on it.
I'm getting wet. Oh my god, that's...
Oh, look down there.
I know.
It's like the tail of it. We're about to die.
That's really bad weather, babe.
We gotta go downstairs, under the stairwell or something.